Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an avocado inspired by Squishmallows. But before we get started, if you've been following me, you know I love Squishmallows because they're just so cute and so squishable and soft, right? So today I'm really happy to be able to show this avocado to you. And right here, you're probably wondering, what the heck is this? It's so big. And it's the Papa avocado. And this, let me see if I can step back and you take a look at how cute this guy is. His name is Austin, right here, and he is part of this new fruit squad that Squishmallow has. So definitely go to their website, squishmallow.com, and you can check out all the fruits in the squad and see which one you want to get. But before we get started, I just wanted to show you this guy, of course, and I was lucky enough to get more sizes. I've got Austin Jr. and I've got baby Austin. So cute and so squishable and soft as always. So I'm just really happy to get these to show to you, and hopefully you love them, and hopefully you'll love the drawing. And so get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and let's get started. To draw this cute avocado, let's first start by drawing the outside shape. So I'm going to start right here and draw a curve for the top of our avocado. This is my usual dumpling shape. It's going to be narrow on the top and wider at the bottom. But because it's an avocado, we're going to make it a lot longer than a dumpling. So that's our goal. So I'm just going to go back and forth and bring down this curve all the way down. So just make sure the top is a little bit narrower, and then as we come to the bottom, it gets a bit wider. So this kind of curve, and somewhere around there, I'm going to start to bring it in. So it's all up to you how short or tall you want your avocado to be. And so about right there, I'll start to bring it in and connect it at the bottom with a flatter curve. There. So that's your basic avocado shape. And so then let's come back up top right here. I'm just going to draw a little stem for our avocado. So nice and soft little stem right at the top. And then I'm going to draw the inside. So I'm going to come to the center, so about right here. Just give myself a point. And from there I'm going to come up a little bit and start to go around. So same thing here. And go around. So if you're not comfortable creating this little dip right here, you can just go ahead and follow the top of the avocado, the curve. Just spruce it up a little bit and give it a little point at the top. So basically right now I'm just going to go ahead and follow my outside. So I'm drawing pretty big, so I have to go step by step with these curves. And then at the bottom I'm going to start to do the same thing, just a little bit thicker. There. Okay, so now we have that in, then let me bring this up a little bit higher. Okay, there, a little bit more even. Okay, so now we can go ahead and bring the avocado to life. And so I'm just going to put the eyes around this area because I know there's a seed right here. So let me go ahead and put a, let's see, about right here. I'll just go ahead and draw a circle. If you'd like, you can draw in the seed first so you make sure you have enough room. But I'm just going to put my eyes about this area. So just drawing 2 circles. Okay, so let's make them draw so cute eyes, of course. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And same thing on the other side. Okay, so we have the eyes in, so I'm going to come atop each eye and just draw a soft curve above each eye. And let's give our avocado here a sweet smile right in the center and cap it off. And I'll just come in here, thicken it up a little bit. There. Okay, so cute, right? So then now let's draw the seed. So I'm just going to freehand it because I don't really care for it to be too perfect. So I'll just start about right here. But if you want your seed to be perfectly round, definitely get something that you can use as a guide to trace. There, something like that. And make it a little bit wider over here. Okay, so there. Now I've created a mess. And before I go, pretty much done, but I'm going to draw a little heart right here. So now it's my Draw So Cute avocado as well. So they're all done. I hope you love how this avocado drawing turned out. That was inspired by this cute little Austin here, the avocado from Squishmallows. And I hope I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me, and that you love, well, I love sharing the Squishmallows with you today. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you do and you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bells so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.